Meet Hyundai Dual Black Max, a stylish all-black bifacial solar panel. The module is manufactured by the Korean giant Hyundai and is just perfect for residential use. This is a 75 by 40-inch module. It is rated for 410 watts, and in real-world conditions, one panel gives approximately 300 watts per panel. It is a bifacial panel, which means that Dual Black Max can capture additional energy from the rear side. It increases its output by 5 to 25%. Its efficiency rating of over 20% is also good for a home option. Backed by a 25-year product and performance warranty, the Hyundai Dual Black Max is built to last. By year 25, the module will retain at least 85% of its initial power output. The panels themselves are made in China and South Korea. The name behind them is a big advantage. If you're looking for a reliable, high-performing solar panel from a reputable brand such as Hyundai, then the Hyundai Dual Black Max is an excellent choice.